Hints of God's Glory. Australian photographer Christian Spencer has spent more than 20 years taking pictures in the Aticia National Park in Brazil. One amazing aspect of his photography is that he's captured the effect of sunlight passing through the open wings of the hummingbird. He found that the wings create a prism-like rainbow of colors when the birds fly between the bright sun and his camera lens. Other photographers have also captured this in birds other than just the hummingbird. Finding rainbows of colors in birds' wings is an example of some of the hidden treasures God has placed in His creation. Such beauty and magnificence can pique our curiosity for what believers in Jesus will observe when they see Him sitting on His throne. When John saw the heavenly throne in Revelation 4, he must have been mesmerized. He describes Christ on the throne with a rainbow that shone like an emerald, encircling it. Verse 3, words cannot describe the glory of God that was revealed to the apostle. Reflect and pray. What hidden treasures have you found in God's creation? How can we use creation to point others to Christ? Dear God, Abba Father, Creator of the universe, thank you for the hidden gems in your creation that point to your beautiful majesty.